This is Jake with today's Tech Tip, talking about one of the features of your MAX5 VCI, using it as a JBox. We'll of course be using an app and a laptop for this procedure. So first you're going to get the appropriate laptop for the vehicle you're going to flash. We're going to connect the VCI to the car first. Then we will connect the VCI with the provided USB cable to the laptop. You want to find the high-speed USB on your laptop. We then want to get a good internet connection. We need to use a T10 line connected directly to a modem. You'll find the driver for this to load on your laptop at macodiagnostics.com. You'll download it. You're going to have to get through any security restrictions you want to keep, you want to install anyway. And then this app will appear when you're done. You want to make sure that you've got it connected and hit the upgrade button. It'll update to your serial number and the proper version. In that download is also a guide. Again, how to put it together, the general coverages, and even the website links to take you to the manufacturer's websites where you will download their program to your laptop to perform that specific flash. Again, you'll need to check with the OE to make sure you have the right components in your laptop for that flash procedure. So let's walk through what a flash would look like. You of course want to hook up the appropriate battery maintainer device to the vehicle to supply the correct amount of amperage for the flash. You're going to pick the software from whatever subscription you want. You do need to download the TechLine Connect software to the laptop, and then after that you will launch the TechLine software from this screen and it'll open up the program. It'll automatically check for any updates. Usually with General Motors there's always an update, so you need to be ready for that. And then it will open up the program. You'll want to connect to the vehicle, and over on the left you'll see when it connects, you want to select the Mako J2534 device. You want to confirm your selection, and then are you replacing the module or are you reprogramming the module? Then review and click next. Now you select the module that you want to program and make sure at the bottom you select normal. Here's where you're going to identify things that the VIN cannot identify. Maybe an update, maybe a particular feature, so on. And then you'll move forward with proceed. Be sure to read any of the notes. There are key things that must happen, or you could potentially have a flash not go through and or damage a module. Here it'll show all the updates that the module has had and any that it may need. We'll click next. It will then show you the current available versus what's on the module. Again, you pick which one you want to update and push start programming in the bottom right corner. Hit OK. It will then download to the laptop, and then from the laptop through the VCI begin reflashing that module that's in the car you selected. If at any time the process does not complete, does not finish properly, doesn't start, do not disconnect anything. Immediately call the OE hotline and work with them to determine what is the issue, or you could again damage a module. Here it states that I completed the flash. I can now print this for documentation. I may have set dealer trouble codes that I need to go clear. I can do that with this program as well. And that's basically the flash procedure on a General Motors product. So that's it. Your MAX5 VCI is an approved J2534 pass-through device. Again, using the appropriate laptop for the brand, you can perform vehicle flashes yourself. It does take a little studying. Each manufacturer is going to have some different procedures. It is worth your time to determine what all is needed for each individual flash, depending on your make and model, so you do not have a failed flash or damage a module. and this will work for the brands listed in the starter guide. Want to thank Chris Murphy's Automotive in Dallas, Texas for allowing us to use their bay and one of their cars to perform this video. That's today's tech tip. Thanks for watching.